Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Raju Das. I belong from non-IT background. I have done my graduation in B.com honors from Delhi University in 2020. I got to know about e-vision from one of my friend who is already working in IT services. Uh, I was really wanted to join this IT services companies and very much interested in IT field. So one of my friend suggested me to join this eVision because he uh, already done his course with this eVision only, and so after that I have decided to join this eVision. And after joining this institute, I can assure you that this place is very suitable place and right place for those who are seeking career in this IT field. Our faculty is teaching very simplified manner so that a non IT person can also understand all the things. I got to know about uh, like I got to know about many things related to IT, like uh, network fundamentals, routing, switching, and desktop related errors, and many more things, etc. So after this course, I have selected in Wipro with the package of 2.7 LPA. I am very satisfied and happy with this institute. I assure you that if you will join this institute, you will have success in IT field. So I will strongly recommend this institute. Uh, thank you. Thank you for listening to me.